Welcome to our beginner's guide on pocket broker trading. In this video, we'll explore the essentials of this innovative platform and how you can make the most of your investment journey. First, let's understand what Pocket Broker is all about. It's a powerful trading platform that allows you to engage with stocks, forex, and CFDs. Creating your Pocket Broker account is simple. Just follow these steps to get started with your registration. Once you've created your account, it's important to familiarize yourself with the interface. Let's look at the key elements and tools you'll be using. To start trading, you'll need to fund your Pocket Broker account. Here are the payment methods available and some helpful tips. Now, let's talk about some essential trading concepts you need to know, including stocks, forex, and CFDs. It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. I'll walk you through placing your very first trade on Pocket Broker. Trading comes with risks, so let's discuss some crucial risk management strategies to protect your investments. There are many benefits to using Pocket Broker, making it an excellent choice for beginner traders. Let's explore these advantages. In conclusion, we've covered a lot today. With these resources and tips, you're well on your way to mastering Pocket Broker trading.